In your exercise, you're going to get something that looks like this. You have 8 cookies with a mean of 6 chocolate chips. Interpret the mean of 6 in the sense of a fair share measure. Sometimes I have a hard time reading my own handwriting. Now, I don't know about you, but I never put the same exact amount of chocolate chips in cookies when I'm baking them. I just throw a handful on there. But in this example, it's a perfect world where each of your cookies has the same amount of chocolate chips. Usually you'd have to look for the mean on your own. But in this case, they just give it to us, which is super awesome because we don't have to do the math. What is the mean? 6. So, with that in mind, if we're using the fair share interpretation, how many chocolate chips would each cookie get? Easy. 6. And boom, there you go. There's your answer. Easy. Now we have to represent this. Okay, now we have to draw a representation for this. No problem. Easy peasy. So I have to have circles for my representation. I have 8 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And each one has 6 chocolate chips. So that first one can cut as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get the picture. Funny enough, the next step is going to look a lot like the first one, just a little bit different. So we draw a dot plot displaying the 14 cookies. Oops. There we go. Draw a dot plot displaying the 14 chocolate chips in each of the 8 cookies. So remember, in a dot plot, we draw a line first. There is my perfectly straight line. In this case, the line is for the 14 chocolate chips, not the 8 cookies. So there we go. There's my line, 13, 14, and 15. Now I know you're like, where'd you get the 13 and 15 from? I just put it in there so the 14 wouldn't be alone. So how many cookies have 14 chocolate chips? 8. And there you have it. You have your dot plot. You have this representation. And then you have the answer to the question. This is pretty much the same stuff you're going to see in your exercise. I hope this was helpful. And if you need help, you know where to find me. Toodaloo.